what's up, guys? I was gonna do a whole like intro and stuff outside the car, but I don't have my own like garage, so I'm not really able to do that. And I tried looking for a place with good lighting that's like alone and shit, but there just isn't really anywhere like that. So decided I'm just gonna do the intro from inside the car. So welcome to my first YouTube video here on this channel. And yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of cruise around in my car. This is a 900 horsepower Mustang. It's got an ESS kit on it, E85, 4 innovations, 2 fuel pumps. Yeah, and it's, I wouldn't say it's my daily, but I do daily drive it. I'm kind of trying to figure out how to get out of here at the moment, to be honest. Okay, I see the exit over here. So like I was saying, guys, the car is a stock motor, stock trans, so it doesn't have any upgraded like internals or anything like that. So I mean, I know what most of you are gonna say, you know, the motor's on a ticking time bomb, right? Which, I mean, most of you would be right, but I honestly, I try to take care of the car. I don't really beat on it, you know, too hard.
Stop the cap.
Since I do like driving this car a lot, you know, I enjoy driving it, which is why I drive it every day. It's technically not my daily driver. I do have another car. It's kind of it's an older car that I just use to get from A to B. But honestly, I've been using this to get from A to B most of the time, just because I enjoy it. You know, it's a lot of fun. I do small pulls here and there, but nothing really that's gonna like damage the car too much. At least I hope it doesn't.
Are you sure about that?
Anyway, I'm just gonna kind of shut up now. Well, actually, let me also add this. If you guys want to type anything in the comments, feel free. I'll answer pretty much every comment, guys. I mean, this is a brand new channel, so I don't really have a big following or anything to where I can't answer any comments. And if you have any answers for me as well, like, you know, I'll probably be asking questions, I'm sure, because I'm no, you know, professional or you know, professional mechanic or anything when it comes to these cars, especially like the boosted platform, or even Mustangs that you know. So yeah, you guys might ask who the car was built by. I personally don't know. I did buy the car already built. I know that it was built by a Ford mechanic, like a Ford performance mechanic, and I bought the car from a shop that was in Troy, Missouri. So yeah, there's that. The car, the only issue I've ever had with this car, besides the motor blowing up once, I could leave that story for another day. The wiring from the fuel pump was having a lot of issues. I'm hoping that I have it fixed now, but it was basically just burning up and stuff. I mean, I'll see if I can put a photo in the video for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I don't know if this is a common problem with the 4 innovation systems or not, but what I did was I rewired it from the fuse box that it was originally wired from, and I rewired it to the battery instead. Because I spoke with a performance shop here where I live. They're called Illust Performance. Shout out Illust if you guys know who they are. Leave it down in the comments. But yeah, so I spoke with them. They recommended that I just wired it straight to the battery, and that's what I did. I'm hoping that that fixes the problem. But other than that, the car runs phenomenal. It's tuned by Lund. It's a 10-speed, you know, so I just kind of let the 10-speed do its thing. I do here and there, you know, use the paddle shifters just for like spirited driving and stuff. But yeah, other than that, I mean, the car runs great. But yeah, so I guess I'll kind of just cruise around for a bit here at night and let you guys hear the car and kind of get a little experience of what it's like to drive one of these things. I'll probably do a couple pulls here and there, but yeah, I'll do a bit of spirited driving. My favorite mode to be in when cruising around, once the car is warmed up, of course, I wait for the cylinder head temps to get up, and then I also wait for the trans temps to get to at least that little bar. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about there, but once everything's warmed up, I'll put it into sport mode, or my mode here, and then I have it on track. And I like to drive with traction control off. That's just me. You guys can call me an idiot if you want. If it's raining, obviously I'll turn traction control on. Even though I used to prefer having it off, but driving with slicks, especially in the rain, which I don't do often, by the way. I mean, I've only had like a few times where I've been driving and then it just randomly starts raining. Anyway, yeah, I don't drive with traction control off in the rain with that. Yeah, typically just normally driving, I will have traction control off. Let's see if I can get on the highway here and kind of let you guys hear the car. Surprisingly, a lot of traffic at 9:30 p.m. Tires. It's pretty hard for me to grip in third gear, which is like the sweet spot for this car. So yeah, once I get new tires, I'll definitely do like some full pulls with you guys. But for now, I think like fourth gear is probably the best I can do. Because if I start in third, it's a little bit sketch. Starts to spin a bit and then it grips, but with how the tires are right now, I don't really want to fuck around and find out. You know what I mean? I didn't even see that guy behind me. Honestly, funny that he just flew by. Oh. One thing I've noticed, the 10 speeds really don't like when you're like shifting yourself. Like if you're not at throttle, the 10 speeds really don't like to like shift. Like, I don't know if that's just mine or if that's just 10 speeds in general. I mean, I would say it's just in general because like the car literally has no problem during any other point. It's only when I'm like partial throttle in a low gear, trying to upshift, that it really hesitates for some weird reason. I'm not too sure if that's like a tuning thing or maybe my transmission is fucking dying and I just don't know. Guys, if you guys want to see like any sort of content, I mean literally like anything when it comes to cars, leave it down for me in the comments, guys. Whatever you guys want to see, whether that be like doing, you know, maintenance, like oil changes on this thing, because I do my own oil changes. I do my own like supercharger oil changes. I pretty much do all the maintenance myself. So if you guys want to see more of that content, let me know. If you guys want to see more racing, drag racing, things like that, I'll try to make it happen. I can't guarantee it just because I don't really have any like, or I don't really know of any options yet for like a drag strip around here. But yeah, I mean, I will definitely post things like that whenever I can, if that's what you guys want to see more of, or if you guys like this type of content, you know, just no music, pure sound, cruising around, let me know too. You know, I hope that I can like run into like some cool cars around here while cruising. That'd be sick. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'd really appreciate it. Third gear pull. I guess you guys could kind of hear the car spinning a lot. That's what I mean by the car won't really hook in third. It has a lot of trouble with the state of the tires at the moment. guess I'll end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed the little night cruise. Again, leave some comments of what you guys want to see. I'd really appreciate it. I'm gonna read through every comment, guys. But yeah, mainly, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. Lets me know that you did enjoy it. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching the video again, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.